Hey guys, been getting a lot of questions about the shed I've been working on over the past few months. Basically, when we moved into our house, we were lacking a little bit of extra space that we needed. So what we decided to do was find someone that could build us a shed, and I wanted to turn this into a gym and a home office. So we ended up finding an Amish couple around the corner who was able to build and deliver the shed very quickly and ran hydro and gigabit internet from our house to the shed. So it's fully connected, it's fully insulated, which basically checked off all the boxes. I wanted it to be usable in all seasons. I wanted to be able to run my business from it, and I wanted it as soundproof as possible. It's fully connected with a bunch of smart devices like this Govee humidity sensor and thermostat, so I can keep it nice and toasty in the winter. Two really bright overhead lights, which is great for working out, and when I'm on calls or meetings, I can keep that nice and bright in there in my background. Also have some pot lights on the outside on a timer. Keeps it nice and bright at night and just nice for walking back to the house. And I also have rubber and carpet flooring in here. I want carpet on the office side just so it's a little bit more comfortable to work in. Overall, amazing experience, and I'd highly recommend this route if you need a cheaper alternative to more space.